Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's Sunday, so we're gonna do a little Sunday reset. My house isn't like quite dirty, but it needs to be picked up for sure. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I know in the background you hear the TV, that is Bluey. Don't judge. My little girl, she needs the background noise. She loves the color. We don't do a ton of screen time, but we do what we need to do to keep her doing that. I mean, she's talking, she's happy, she's talking to Bluey. So moving on, let me show you my little doggy right now. Chew boy, say hi. 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 He said, oh my, what I do? You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Where's your bow? Okay, Mama's gotta get to cleaning.
I feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. The way that I feel when I'm with you, brand new. I feel like a young junk you side, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time, I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I close my
Okay, we're gonna take a little break and then we'll get back to the Sunday reset. But little Miss needs her mama right now. Is that better? Yeah, is that better? Say, Mama, my belly is full and I've got a diaper change and I got milk all over my face. Okay, can Mommy get back to the Sunday reset? And you watch some Bluey for a minute? Yeah? Yeah. Also, if you're a mama, you need to do one of these. I literally take this thing everywhere with me in the house. Like, I've got extra clothes. Those are like the pads that you put in your bra so you don't milk everywhere. Like the bows from what she wore recently, socks, just medicine for me. And then up here is like diapers. We've got wipes. We've got lotion. Her nails stuff is in there. This thing goes with me everywhere because we go everywhere. Ain't that right? In the house.
like when I close my eyes, don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly, and I don't even think touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. The way that I feel when I'm with you, brand new. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and you don't even think you're touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an airplane. Feel brand new, brand new.
Baby. If you have a Velcro baby, you understand. So this is probably all we're going to be doing today for the Sunday reset, just because she does not want to sit down. So, or at least sit down without me. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications on when I post.